Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to open content from the previous session when Notepad starts in Windows 11 PC. In case you want to see the previous session or that was used in Notepad when you starts Notepad in Windows 11. For that, there are settings available. For this, first open Notepad using any method. After that, click on this one settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the next following window, you need to click on this one option when Notepad starts. Here you will find a option that says open content from the previous session. In case you want to restore the previous session when Notepad starts in Windows 11, you need to select this one option. And in case you want to just open a blank Notepad file, whenever you open Notepad in Windows 11, you need to select this one option, open a new window. After selecting this one option, open content from video previous section. Just close this one Notepad window, open a Notepad file and type something. For example, I have just typed it. Now close this one window. After that, whenever you will open Notepad again, you will see previous session is automatically restored on your Notepad window. That's all about this video. Thanks.